Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new, you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. Please and please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this GBPUSD, right? We've actually had a bearish move for today, which is fifth. Now, I want you guys to have it in mind that we are on a pullback level. The bullish movement for GBPUSD is not over. What we're just having is a pullback. We all know the reason why we had this drop, right? We all know price actually I think a news was released about 4. It depends 4 p.m. around my area. I don't know when what time it is around your area, but we also saw the news about the USD, right? It gave us kind of like a bullish move, which is like a pullback, right? So that itself is not over, right? We will continue our bullish move on GBP USD, but as at now we're having a pullback on GBP USD. So where will the pullback end? Definitely, we will be watching at a 2 level where pullback will end, right? It's either we have this pullback end at this level here, or we have this pullback drop further and end at this level. So we'll be watching at 2 level where pullback will actually end, which is a level of 1.21238 or a level of 1.19147. So above all, it is a level of 1.21 or a level of 1.19 on GBP USD. But before we get to that, before we know where this would analyze, before we go in depth to understand where this pullback would be over, let's start with this trend on GBP USD. Clearly we can see that this is an uptrend move. We know that this we are seeing an higher highs and higher lows. If you are a beginner trader, you will know that you are to go long on GBP USD. Secondly, is that this moving average you are seeing is 10 period moving average. If you are following this channel consistently, you know I do use it a lot to actually guide me, especially when I sit above my moving average, because I am a swing trader, so I do use it. So once I see this price above my moving average, I just look for a way or a setup to actually, a setup that will make me to actually, go long, right? Either a pullback or course, or either, break or structure anyhow before I go long. So as long as it is still above the moving average, it is still a buy, right? So we clearly can see an higher highs and higher lows. So let's start this movement from here. So we will take this as an highs. Then here comes a correction on GBP to USD. Now you can see a new highs. You notice this new highs broke this previous highs. You can see here, and here comes the correction. Guess what we've gotten again? A new highs. Of course, when the new highs has been made, what do you expect? A correction needs to be made, right? So we should be expecting at this level price will react to, right? And if price does not react to this level by giving us a bullish move the next day, then we should see price just further down and see a reaction at this level. So this is one of this is why I'm watching out for a level of 1.21. At a level of 1.21, we very much likely to have a pullback. We will continue our continuous bullish move on GBPUSD, or this price might drop further to a level of 1.19 before we continue that bullish move. So in order to be able to analyze it better, so let's add our Fibonacci retracement tools. So since this price is retracing, let's see, at least it might not be 100% correct, but at least Fibonacci gave us 70 to 80% correct. So at least this will be able to guide us to where this price will retrace to. So we will start it from this. You can see this movement, and I'll start this move, my movement from here. I just start it from here, especially open of this candle here. I take it to this week. So you can take a look at this movement, right? You can see that this price is at this zero. We are seeing price drop to. You can now see at a level of 23.6. So this is the level I told you guys, right? We saw that price has reacted to this level, right? We saw price has once reacted to this level, and we saw price actually broke above it and give us a pullback, and now it has reacted to that level by giving us a bullish move. So I do say it always that if price has reacted to a level previously multiple times, right, and price is close to that level, we're very much likely to get to that level, and price will definitely react to that level. So you see that price has reacted to this level. Even if you stroll back, you see that price has reacted, but that is another day. So we would want to zoom it out. Now that price has reacted to this level, right, we're very much likely to see price drop to come to this level before we see a reaction and it continues its bullish move. That is reason one, right, why this pullback might get to this level. Reason two is that we can see this Fibonacci is at a retracement of 23.6. Once there's a strong momentum bullish move and price is kind of giving us like a pullback. That pullback tends to hit a two level, which is 23.6 and 38.2, then we will see a spike up. But I believe it will hit a level of 23.6 and 23.6. So we should watch out for this level of 23.6. So a level of 1.9 and 1.19, we very much likely to see a drop to that level before it continues its bullish move. And again, this level of 1.21, right? We saw price has once reacted to this level here, right? Now price is close to this level. We should see price drop a little bit, at least 10 to 20 pips before it continues its bullish move. So watch out, price can also react to this level also, whereby we can continue the bullish move. And one of the reasons why price might react to this level is that we will take a look at our dollar index or USD index, right? So when you take a look at this movement itself, you see that this price is bearish, right? You all know that dollar index is bearish, USD index is, USD or DXY is bearish. So when you take a look at this movement, you see that price, let's start it from here. We saw price has come to this level, right? Give us a pullback. Then we saw price came to this same level again, kind of double top like this level. Then we saw a pullback, right? Once price breaks below it, of course we expect a pullback to this same level where price has reacted to, right? We see price reacted here, one, two. We should expect price to come to this level and react to that level by dropping again. So by the time price has now gotten to this level, right? The next movement we will be expecting on DXY is to drop. So once this DXY start dropping, then I believe that this GBP USD, since it is at this level, right? I'm expecting a bullish move at this level on GBP USD. And you can also see this USD index. You can see that not only have price reacted here previously twice, you saw price has also reacted to this level CI. You see double at this level, double tap at this level, and also reacted at this level. So this is a strong possibility that price will reject and drop here. So watch out for a drop on DXY at this level. So once this DXY or USD starts giving us that drop, then be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So guys, watch out. There are two levels we will be watching out for GBP USD to give us that bullish move. It's either we have this bullish move part here, or we see the XY just further down, hit this level of 1.9, right, and continue this bullish move. So above all, we should watch out and we can go ahead to take our trade on GBP USD. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So if in case they might give us an indication. So we can see this 4-hour time frame. I mean, price has tapped here, right? We saw price rejected here, right? We saw price reacted here. We saw in the 4-hour time frame, price has come to this level. Price went up, right? Now price is close to this level. So we strongly believe that price will actually push up to this level. I mean, so it makes sense for us to expect a bullish move the next day on the 6th, right? You see on the level of 1.21. We saw price has reacted here, price has reacted here, price has reacted here. So it makes sense for price to also react at this level by pushing up. Coupled with the fact that that USD index itself, we all see that we will be expecting a drop on this USD index. So it makes sense for GBP USD to go give us that bullish move. So let's see if GBP USD will give us a bullish move for the 6th of December. Thank you very much.